is for asparagus, green and long. B is for broccoli, green and strong. C is for carrot, orange and bright. D is for daikon, white and light. E is for eggplant, purple and round. F is for fennel, green in the ground. G is for garlic, white and small. H is for horseradish, white and tall.
I is for iceberg lettuce, so green. J is for jalapeno, grassy and green. K is for kale, dark green and bright. L is for leek, green and white.
M is for mushroom, brown or white. N is for nori, green and light. O is for okra, green and fun. P is for peas, green like the sun. Q is for quinoa, seed small and white. R is for radish, red and white. S is for spinach, green and leafy. T is for turnip, purple and creamy. U is for ubi, purple and sweet. V is for veggies, colorful to eat. W is for watercress, green and small. X is for extra veggies, best of all. Y is for yam, orange and sweet. Z is for zucchini, green treats to eat. A to Z, colors so bright. Veggies are yummy, take a bite.
Please subscribe.